First, it is necessary to go to the Dassault Systems Software License Keys page. Please type in the following address. Next, scroll down on the page until you see the DSLS TargetID executable. Click on that link. Clicking on the TargetID executable opens a zip file. You should save this file to either your desktop or your hard drive. Next, I'm going to extract the zip file on my desktop. We're now ready to get our target ID. Let's go to the Start menu. We're going to do a Run command and drag our DS license target into the command. Hit a space, dash, lowercase t, and the Enter button, and that generates our target ID number for us. That concludes this demo of extracting the target ID. One thing I did want to add in closing was that the target ID number that you see is an alphanumeric number. In the case that you run a target ID extraction and you get, instead of numbers and letters, you get all letters, this is usually evidence that it is a virtual machine. And as I mentioned earlier, virtual machines are not permitted on the DSLS license server.